With the U.S. market set to open, we're seeing mixed action in European stocks. We're turning now to Jonathan Browdy in the Deal's London newsroom for an update on individual markets as well as stocks. Jonathan.
Yes, good morning, John. It's been a morning of all-round weakness in Europe after last night's reversals on Wall Street. In part, that's from a sense that dovish remarks by Fed Chair Janet Yellen yesterday and the possibility of further easing from European Central Bank in June reflect real weakness in the major economies. China, too, shows new signs of slowing. But there have also been more tangible results to go on. Oil services group Petrofac plc slumped 15% after issuing a profit warning, and the plunge took rival European oil and mining support groups such as Norway's Seadrill, Italy's Saipem and France's Technip down with it. And there are weak performances in other sectors too. International Consolidated Airlines Group, the parent of Spanish airline Iberia and British Airways, fell over 2.7% this morning, despite saying it had reduced losses at both airlines and forecasting a $2.2 billion profit for the year as a whole. Meanwhile, in Paris, steelmaker ArcelorMittal lost 2.5% because of its rising debt pile, despite announcing narrowing losses and increased shipments for the first quarter. Even the news out of the advertising industry failed to excite. French media giant Publicis fell a relatively modest 1.15% to 59.99 euros after the collapse of its $35 billion merger with Omnicom of the US, and its big rival WPP of London, which now retains its title as the biggest beast in the sector, rose only 0.7% to £1.286. That's all from me in London. Over to you in New York, John.
Thanks very much, Jonathan. That's Jonathan Browdy reporting from the Deal's London newsroom.